If you're tasked with moving critical supplies quickly across long distances, especially in areas where roads slow things down, the RigiTech Eiger is a drone that you should know about. The Eiger is a long-range VTOL logistics drone designed for operations like medical deliveries, disaster response missions, and industrial logistics. It combines the efficiency of fixed-wing aircraft with the flexibility of vertical takeoff and landing, meaning it can launch and land almost anywhere without needing a runway. So let's break down what makes the Eiger unique and who it's suited for. One of the standout capabilities of the Eiger is its range and endurance. Without a payload, this drone can fly up to 62 miles on a single mission with a maximum flight time of about 57 minutes. Even with a max payload of 6.6 pounds, you can still cover almost 50 miles. It cruises at roughly 64 miles per hour, so it can cover large areas quickly, whether that's connecting remote clinics, transporting supplies between facilities, or supporting emergency response operations. Despite that long range, the Eiger maintains the flexibility of VTOL flight, meaning it takes off and lands vertically before transitioning into efficient fixed-wing flight for the majority of the mission. This combination makes it ideal for environments where runways aren't always available. One of the most notable payload options is the specialized medical box accessory. With it, the Eiger can carry up to 300 blood samples per delivery while maintaining temperature control and impact protection during flight. That makes it valuable for healthcare systems where lab samples need to move between hospitals, labs, and rural clinics quickly. Instead of hours by road, deliveries can happen in a fraction of the time. Given the importance of what this drone can transport, you can't afford to lose connectivity. The Eiger includes multiple communications layers, including dual 4G cellular telemetry, 2.4 GHz radio telemetry, and Iridium satellite communication. The live streaming feature is specifically made for BVLOS operations, allowing you to watch your flight in real time for an extra layer of safety. This multi-link approach helps maintain command and telemetry even in challenging environments or remote regions. Live streaming is just one of the safety features of this platform. The Eiger also integrates several onboard systems including dual redundant GNSS, a lidar altimeter for landing, front and downward cameras, ADS-B in and out to help stay aware of nearby aircraft, a ballistic parachute system, and a precision landing pad combines vision, GNSS, and IMUs to help you land right where you need to in hazardous areas. Together, these systems provide multiple layers of redundancy and situational awareness, which is essential for long-range operations. So who should be looking at a drone like this? The Eiger is designed for organizations that need reliable aerial logistics, including healthcare networks transporting lab samples or medical supplies, humanitarian and disaster response teams, government and public safety agencies, or just companies building a drone delivery network. If your operations involve reaching remote locations quickly or building autonomous systems, the Eiger offers a platform designed specifically for those challenges. If you'd like more information on the RigiTech Eiger, click on the link below, and thanks for watching.